Parrots and dolphins are both incredible communicators, but they each have their own unique talents. Parrots can mimic human speech with astonishing clarity, often repeating phrases they've heard, which makes them seem like little feathered chatterboxes. They have a remarkable ability to learn and imitate sounds, showcasing their intelligence. On the other hand, dolphins use a complex system of clicks and whistles to communicate, often conveying emotions and even social structures within their pods. While parrots excel in mimicking our words, dolphins have a depth of communication that reflects their social nature. So, who talks better? It really depends on how you define talking. Parrots might win in mimicry, but dolphins take the prize for depth and nuance.